This device is well designed. It has a drive shaft on top, 12-inch all-steel guide plate, high-temp quench chain mount. This on our home grinder. It can saw wood and split firewood. Installation is very simple. It's very easy to use, comes with 3 square nuts. Choose the right size. Fits home grinders, small, medium, or large. All can be installed. Loosen this locking screw. Adjust drive shaft slot. Insert square nut in slot. Then use this hex wrench. Tighten the locking screw. Grinder becomes a saw. Let's plug it in and see nice. Like this dual use saw.